Hello, this is Costas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you an idea just that I just had. You know, I really enjoy this amazing song from Benson Boone, and I wanted just to try it with a music creator platform, and that is the Music Creator AI that you see at your screens. I'm gonna leave a link down to my description so that you can check it out. Uh, I wanted to ask the platform to create a song that will be like this one song, okay? Just to find out what exactly a music platform can do. I'm gonna try that to the next video, even with Suno, to see what is gonna create, but we can just try and see the result. Okay, I'm gonna click generate music, and as it's always done, even with Music Creator AI, it's gonna create two songs, and you can see that it's already started creating. It's gonna create two songs, and I can decide which one of those I want to use, or I can use both of them. Okay, but the idea is that's the same. It's gonna start creating something familiar and something um, close to the one song that I really enjoy and I really like to YouTube. But sometimes you want to use this kind of music, but it's copyrighted, so you might want to use it for your own video or to play to your station, and it's usually it's copyrighted. So I wanted to test and see what a music creator AI platform could do, creating your own music and creating my own song that it's gonna feel the same like the one that I really enjoy. So we give it just some more seconds to create the music. It says that it created the pop ballad with piano-led verses, swelling drums, and soaring halftime. George, you see, it created even the prompt to go closer to what I asked. Um, let's see what exactly it created, and then I'm gonna show you how easily, with a couple of clicks, you're gonna be able to use the same platform and create a music video using the same song that you created here. So let me see if we can play it already. Okay, we can play it, but we can just check if we want the other songs. I'm gonna just play one of the other songs just to see that it's really creating amazing music, you see. Okay, it's just see that those are songs that I created to other videos. I have already showcased the whole platform, and of course we have a lot of stuff to do here to see and explore here, because we have the AI MIDI editor, AI audio to MIDI, AI music mastering. We have the BPM tapper. We have the AI step splitter. It's really interesting features that we're gonna explore one by one to the future videos. Okay, we got one of the songs ready. I'm gonna play. Open the no, no, it's not ready. Just I have to wait a little bit more. That was one of the ones that I have created before. And here there are some samples that we have. We can create a happy birthday song. We can create write an awesome rap. You can create a custom happy birthday song, let's say, and you can customize it with the name of your beloved person that you want uh, to make this song for. Uh, okay, let's just wait for a moment and see if we are ready here. And I'm gonna play now. You see, that's the Hold Me Still. It's the song. Listen to that.
your shoes by the door, still muddy from the rain. Your laugh is in my hallway, like you never left this place. I keep your name on my tongue,
Amazing. Let me just play a little bit more.
like a prayer I don't want to break.
Let me show you. If you click on the song, you're gonna see the lyrics. You're not able there to see the lyrics, but I'm gonna just grab the platform over here so that you can easily see everything behind here. Let me just open a little just to be able to see here the lyrics. You see, here are the lyrics. I found your shoes by the door, still muddy from the rain. Your laugh is in my hallway like it never left this place. I keep your name on my tongue like a prayer I don't want to break. If I say if I say it one more time, will it make you stay? It's really it's amazing lyrics, and the sound is great. Listen to that.
If I say it one more time, will it make you stay? Don't let go yet, I'm not ready for the dark.
And it's the really the style exactly as the other song that I explained before, and it's really amazing. You can listen the song and see that it copied the same style and created a totally new song with new lyrics, and it has almost the same sound and the same style, but it created a totally new song. Okay,
You still live inside my heart, I know time takes what it wants from my head.
that's one of the songs that it created. Let's try the other one. Listen to that.
I found your shoes by the door, still muddy from the rain.
It's the same lyrics, same style, but in another way and in another tempo. Okay, you see that it goes a little bit more slow, and it's gonna have the high ending, and it sounds really amazing. It's an amazing platform. I really enjoy using it. I'm gonna just let link down to my description so that you can find out more about this platform. It's gonna let you create enough songs to see how it's working and um, uh, what exactly you can do with this platform. And what I'm gonna show you now is that you can easily move on, because you see you got the music here and you got everything here. You can just click remix edit and click music video. If you click music video, it moves straight to the music video category over here, and to the music video it just you got the music. Okay, here you can select the photo style, what you want the photo style to be, and you can select epic fantasy, you can select noir, desaturated indie film, retro cosmic, you see azure hero, soft retro pop photo. We can select this one. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. And you can select even the glitch VHS over here. I'm gonna select this one and click confirm. Okay, and display mode. I can have a single image that it's much better because it's gonna create an image and you can upload any image you want, and just play this same image. You can have the style sample text. You can select how it's gonna be the sample text. Let's just select one of those. I'm gonna just try with the red one. Okay, The alignment, where it's gonna be to the bottom, to the middle. I can select the middle, and you can have the sound waves as it plays the music. You can have it's gonna be over there to the sound wave. The sound waves. It's gonna be to the middle if you select the middle. But if we select the bottom, it's gonna be down to the bottom with the subs, and it's gonna play the lyrics. It's really interesting. We can have, okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. And over here we can have multiple images. Okay, it can change images all the time. I'm gonna leave it with single image so that it's not gonna take long. And I'm gonna click generate music video. Okay, and let it create a music video straight from the audio that we created. Creating a music video, what it means, it's gonna be able to download and upload straight to your YouTube channel, and of course, create traffic to anywhere you want. People want to see interesting videos. You can even create your videos and add your own images. You can you can grab the audio, the MP3, and just create your video with uh, creating a AI video or anything like that. But to this platform, it's really easy to use the one song that you have created, and very fast create uh, a music video. Okay, so let's give it some seconds to create the video, and I'm gonna show you straight away the result, because in fact it takes a little bit longer, because it creates the wave, and it just creates one image that it's gonna fit to this kind of music. Okay, so let's wait for a moment. And we are ready. Let's see the result. It looks really interesting. Let's play the music that it created. You see this kind of image with a teenager talking on the phone to an old phone. It can easily captivate a lot of people, and want to listen and see what this song is all about. To listen the song and see what is going on. Let me just play the music and see that even with the visual, because you can change the visual. You can add your own images. You can create it the way you want. Just listen.
I found your shoes by the door, still muddy from the rain. Your laugh is in my hallway, like you never left this place. I keep your name on my tongue, like a prayer I don't wanna break. No time.
Okay, you see that it's really amazing, and uh, I'm gonna upload the whole video to YouTube, so that you can to my channel. You're gonna see that over there. You can listen the whole song over there, and enjoy it to my channel. But the idea is that it creates really amazing song, and it creates the perfect music with the perfect sound and great lyrics with a great meaning. Okay. Um, Thank you very much for watching this video. This was the music creator AI, and I'm gonna leave a link to my description so that you can find out more and experiment in case you're interested in the music and the things that this platform can do. Uh, to the next videos, I'm gonna show you even more features from this platform and other amazing AI platforms and applications. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and stay tuned for more interesting content. Thank you. Bye.